Hey yo, I'm on to this subway now. I've just done the walls. That's taken half an hour to do those walls. They're a nice easy tile to grout. With subway, you just make sure that you try not to miss anything. Keep your eyes peeled all the time. Yep. There's a cross somewhere. That's it. I showed you how to get the crosses out in a couple of videos now, out of the subway tile. Use a sponge. With these ones, I just used a piece of tile, 600mm long. Just wipe them out. But you do it all before everything dries too hard, because then they get stuck in the glue and you've got a hell of a job. I haven't got enough grout mixed up, but I need to mix up a bit more for the floor anyway, so all good. Quite a nice colour. Quite a nice colour. It's full on goes with these, eh? It's just a shame, and I said to the owner this morning, it's just a shame that the bath covers most of this wall and the toilet. But it'll still look cool. I don't have to grout stick these suckers because they're not a rounded edge or pressed edge. They're not a pressed edge tile. Like on some subway tile, they're a pressed edge. Well, it always makes a beautiful job if you use a grout stick, which I've shown you in other videos if you want to have a look through. There's over 2,000 of the suckers. Hook into them. There's heaps to learn. Am I going to have enough grout just to do this? Let's hope so. Oh, I didn't have to grout that. I'll be siliconing that. It's Friday today, and I'll tell you what, bloody hell, Fridays come around quick. The older you get, the faster and faster it goes. When you enjoy what you do as well. Right, no holes. When I start wiping off, I might get some bit of a quick glance. Nothing missed. Oh yeah, always somewhere. But that's all you do, people, just glance over it. I might have another one or two when I start wiping off. We'll see you soon.